Man, cause your nigga want me. And I don't mess with y'all chick, cause I know that y'all phony. And I always go and get it. I always gotta hustle till this money I'm committed. I'm just getting it off the muscle. And if you got a problem, it's nothing for us to solve it. And when I draw this line, but none of you chicks won't cross it, man. Guns I'll draw them, then erase your existence. I never let this money go. I get it, I'm persistent and it's real. Man, let me tell you how I feel. Run up and you gon' get done up, and you probably gon' get killed. And I'ma only tell you once, don't get close to me. And I'm a hardcore chick like I'm supposed to be. Who the baddest in the game, man, you know it's me. And man, there's levels to this shit, and you too low for me. Because I swear that I'm a savage. Every day I'm still packing, swear I'll move that package. I ain't saying that I'm the baddest, but I'm that chick you wanna be, the main chick you tryna see, and they call me Queen B. I like you don't know me, now you don't know me, and you talk that big boy shit, but you fail to show me that you a gangster like you say you is, put triggers like you say you do. I might be just a kid, but nigga I ain't gon' play with you, cause you life I'm talk about, man I live it every day. So you fake rap niggas, just step out my way.